Hello everyone, welcome to Amos Academy Volume 2 with me, Alan Beak. I'd like to introduce you to Mark. This is my third demonstration model, and as you can see, Mark's got quite long hair. Now, Mark hasn't had his hair cut in several months, so as you can see that it's pretty much one length. Now, in order to complement his face and complement the style, what we want to do is we want to introduce some layer. So the layering I'm going to do today is a simple square layer with a graduation. I want something that's a little bit more soft, a little bit more floaty, and a lot more current. Still with the classic feel with a contemporary twist. So to start with, we're going to section up the hair and break it down into specific areas. We're going to box section the top, each side, a triangular section throughout the crown, and start from the back. Once we've started from the back, we're going to work our way all the way around to the left-hand side, and then exactly the same on the right-hand side. Once we've done that, we'll do a profile section, and then we'll link the two together. So intuitively, I'm going to decide where I want the graduation to start. And again, using intuition, I'm going to decide the exact length on top. And once I've done both of these, I will then connect them together.